Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make an animation from static image in Canva. So first, when you have your image right here, you want to go to the image by clicking on it and go to the edit right here, and you want to scroll down, go to the Magic Studio, and then choose the magic grab. Now you click on your image and click grab. After you've done that, you click on this image right here, you click animate, scroll down until you find breathe, which is right here. You click on this breathe right here, and then you can click on the filter right here. You can change the scale into a bigger one. Alright, now what you want to do is you need to select your background, click animate, and click on breathe again. But now you want to select the in here, and then you want to resize it into a bigger one. Now, as you can see, your image has an animation and it is working perfectly. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.